I'll guide you through how to make money on Roblox. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your Roblox launcher app and log into your account. The first method is by developing your own Roblox game. This is the most challenging option, since you need to spend a decent amount of Robux to access the developer exchange 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝘀𝘀 program. But if your game becomes popular, it can be a big source of income. The second method is by creating assets for Roblox, such as texture packs, model packs, and more. These can be sold through platforms like the Toolbox website, and it's perfect if you enjoy digital design or 3D modeling. The third method is becoming a UGC, user-generated content creator. You need to apply via the Roblox developer forum, and once accepted, you can create and sell accessories, hats, and clothing for avatars in the Roblox catalog. And that's it. Whether you're a developer, artist, or designer, there are plenty of ways to make money on Roblox. Choose the path that fits your skills